Hey everyone, imagine this. Every month your money just disappears. You're earning, but by mid-month you're already broke. Sounds familiar? Well, what if I told you that just one app could change how you manage money forever? Welcome to Smart Moyen, where I help young adults hustle smart, earn smart, and live smart. Today, I'll be sharing the top 5 budgeting apps you need in 2025 to track your expenses, save better, and stop wondering where your money went. Let's get into it. Budgeting isn't just about cutting costs. It's about understanding where your money is going so you can spend wisely and save smartly. The problem? Lots of people don't track their expenses and end up spending more than they earn. The good news? Budgeting apps do the heavy lifting for you. They track your spending, categorize expenses, and even give you financial insights to help you stay on top of your money. Here are the top 5 budgeting apps in 2025 that can help you take control of your finances. Number 1, Mint, best for beginners. If you're new to budgeting, Mint is your go-to app. It syncs with your bank accounts, automatically categorizes your spending, and sends you alerts when you're overspending. Free credit score monitoring. Simple interface. Perfect for beginners. It's for anyone who wants an easy way to track their expenses without stress. Number 2, YNAB, you need a budget. Best for financial discipline. YNAB is perfect if you struggle with overspending. This app forces you to plan ahead by assigning every dollar a job. It's like having a financial coach in your pocket. The app helps you break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and teaches real money management skills. Anyone who wants to gain control of their finances and build better money habits should use this app. Number 3, PocketGuard, best for controlling overspending. Do you always feel broke before the end of the month? PocketGuard is for you. It tells you how much safe to spend money you have left after essentials like rent, bills, and savings. It helps you avoid accidental overspending. You will love it because it shows you exactly how much money you have available for fun spending. This app is for you if you tend to spend impulsively or live paycheck to paycheck. Number 4, Goodbudget, best for couples and families. If you're managing money with a partner or family, Goodbudget is a game changer. It works on the envelope budgeting system, helping you and your partner stay on the same page financially. It helps to share budgets across multiple devices. You will love it because it's perfect for joint financial planning. Couples or families who want to manage expenses together should use this app. Number 5, Monarch, best for wealth building. Monarch isn't just a budgeting app, it's a financial planning tool. It helps you track your net worth, investments, and spending in one place. The app helps track investments along with budgeting, helps you plan for long-term financial success. This app is for people who want to grow their wealth, not just budget. So, which app should you choose? If you're a beginner, go for Mint. If you need strict budgeting, YNAB is your best bet. Want to stop overspending? Try PocketGuard. Managing money with someone else? Goodbudget is for you. And if you're focused on wealth building, Monarch is your winner. Tell me in the comments which one you'd try first. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart money tips. See you in the next one.